in the white?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
And I'm going in with an eraser. I'm like, going. Yeah.
Do I just go get?
Yeah, mate, I'm hungry.
You guys want to just go to bed?
Yeah.
'Cause I'll go to bed.
Wait.
What? Me? I just got really dizzy. Oh no.
That was the most graceful sit I think I've ever done.
That was pretty graceful. Oh my.
I like didn't make a noise.
You did. I looked and you were on the floor.
That's nice.
It's from that side. I was sitting on the side. Where the chair was, yeah.
Is it gonna be horizontal?
Yeah, it's gonna be that way.
I really like this part. It's sort of, although like the beat is very like present as a form, it creates this sort of a depth with all the marks that you created as a background. So for my drawing, I also use my body parts to draw, and it sort of reminds me of what I did. Do you have any questions or?
No, but yeah, we can do this like another day.
Show me the process again.
Yeah.
We're killing.
I think you could. Fix the. Yeah. Look at that. Look at it.
Apa kali Mas?